आज हम एक और नया क्यू कार्ड प्रिपेयर करने जा रहे हैं. The cue card is talk about a time when you give a talk to a group of people. Well, isn't it interesting? The same cue card been asked earlier as well. Talk about a time when you gave a speech. It's one and the same thing. Talk about a time when you shared your opinion. One and the same thing. तो ये क्यू कार्ड्स ऑलरेडी मेरे अवेलेबल हैं, लेकिन एक और क्यू कार्ड टॉक अबाउट अ टाइम व्हेन समबडी गेव यू इम्पोर्टेंट एडवाइस. तो उसी इंफॉर्मेशन या उसी पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक को एक्सट्रैक्ट करके या उसी आइडिया को मैं यूटिलाइज करके इस क्यू कार्ड का एक नया सैम्पल आपके साथ शेयर करने जा रहा हूँ. आई होप कि आपको पसंद ज़रूर आएगा. वेल, आई बिलीव आई हैव गुड पब्लिक स्पीकिंग स्किल्स एंड आई नेवर मिस अ चांस टू deliver a speech or face the public to present my views. And this thing developed when my school introduced a very unique method of teaching. It was actually to develop the public speaking skill among children, and for that reason, once when I was in 10 plus 2, I got the opportunity to present a talk in front of junior students of grade 5th. So for this, I chose a very interesting topic of money management. I do remember when I was of the same age, I was very much into spending money on unwanted things. Often, I asked my parents for money and buy fizzy drinks, wafers, chips, chocolates and others, and it was not only ruining my health, but I was wasting the hard-earned money of my parents. Needless to say, in this age, children are quite immature and they do not appreciate the true value of money. And for that reason, I presented this talk in front of these 5th grade children. They were quite impressed the way I was presenting my views, and I kept my talk quite intriguing. I shared some funny incidents. In fact, I cracked a couple of jokes to keep their interest level intact. I also recommended them to read the book Rich Dad, Poor Dad, which I myself read, that really helped me to understand the financial management in a better way. Last but not least, in my lecture, I also recommended them to have a piggy bank in which they must save at least a part of their pocket allowance. This way they can save money and buy something big for them. And I gave my personal example when out of my pocket money I paid my school fee, and it was a proud moment for my father. So, and this particular activity developed my interest towards public speaking, and today I can easily handle public talks or give speech or lecture to others. Continue to watch my other videos for your IELTS speaking test preparation, and if you get to know about any new cue card, don't hesitate to share with me.